This is one of the another program for cost calculator. Previously, uh, we have discussed about price calculator program. Now this is cost calculator. So this is the costing of a product in the manufacturing unit. So here we just uh, enter the data of the product. These are the type of casters. I created the record and how this all this data been entered uh, to create a cost of that product. So there was a um, uh, casters components. I have added their uh, so their operations numbers, names, and who uh, worked on that operation, the worker ID, the labor cost, and on which machine, time based, and electricity or machine efficiency, power uses, duration, and other information. And so there the labor cost, raw material components, their sizes here. So in order to create this, in order to calculate the cost of the product. So now I go to this dashboard. Here I'm going to calculate the cost of a product. Uh, so this is okay. Let's say I go for this product, this caster name and this type and on inches, and here is a I select the size and so after that I get the information like the list of components with their specifications. So these are list of components uh, are used in this particular product, in this size of product. This is this a component's name. Let's say the base plate, the size is this, the ring, the size is this, and it picks up um, from the master file. So where each on each component, so we have entered their data, their details, their uh, like which components are used for this caster, this product, and not only the components are used, the size of components too. So this size is used for uh, this this product. So after that, we go to component raw material cost details with scrap. So once I clicked here, so this is all the raw material cost. So whatever we have entered in their master, it is picking up the value from the master here. So this is the cost here. So in this course, the scrap value is also mentioned here. So let's say this item's scrap value is this, and so there is a so percentage of scrap from this component is 1.81 percent scrap. So this is the weight before operation. This is the weight after operation. So these are there are their operations and the scrap and plus after that. So they in this operation, let's say there is no scrap. So this is the only component price. There is no scrap. So this is also the component price. There is no scrap because there is no operation. This I think this item been bought from the supplier. So there is no operation. They just put it in the product there. So there is a so this is the complete cost of this uh, these components, and plus the total scrap value is this, total scrap percentage is this. So this is a complete uh, component weight before this before manufacturing this product. So this is after manufacturing this product. So this is, and after that we go to the labor cost too. So this is now not only the items, the components being used under this size, but their price too. We calculated their price too. So this is the raw material price. So this is the raw material price. After this raw material price, there will be the labor cost too. Raw material price and the labor cost. Now we go to the main page. So this is the again we come here. So this is uh, the raw material. This is component. So component details. After getting this component details, so let's say they want to uh, manufacture this product. So they are going to give this a list, this component list to their in their manufacturing units. So this is, let's say they have the 100 pieces order for this. They are going to give this a list to the manufacturing unit. They won't need to give the price to the their to their department. They will just go and preview. They will just print it out this and they will give to their department to uh, to manufacture this product. So these items are, these components are going to use under this product. So they won't, now they have these prices here already. Now let's say we just go and we select another product here. Let's say they choose a different product here. Now uh, they choose the, we select the size here. So this is for the different product. Now different product, they have this uh, their list of component are there again here. So after this, this list of components, so we go again to their price here. So I mean cost here. So this is the cost of this these components here. Uh, yeah. So next we will go to the labor cost page. So yeah. So this is the costing. We go to calculate the cost of a product here. Thank you so much.